Welcome to the Electronics and Telecommunication Department of the New Horizon Institute of Technology. Myself Urpita Ghosh, and today I will demonstrate an experiment of Digital Electronics Laboratory. The aim of the experiment is to implement multiplexer and demultiplexer technique. So students, before starting with the experiment, we should know about what is multiplexer and demultiplexer. The term multiplexing means many into one. A digital multiplexer is a combinational circuit that selects one digital information from a number of sources and then it transmits the same information over a single output line. In a digital multiplexer, there are n input lines, m select lines and one single output lines. The number of input lines always depends on the select lines, that is m. Suppose if m is equals to 2, then the number of input line should be 2 to the power m. That means 2 to the power 2 equals to 4. That means a multiplexer with 2 select lines should have 4 input lines and 1 output line. If we increase the number in m, that means if we take m is equals to 4, then the number of input line should be 2 to the power 4. That means it will be equals to 16 input lines and always a single output line. So 16 inputs can be sent through a single output line with the help of the select lines. A digital multiplexer is always used in the transmitter section of a device. Now coming to demultiplexer. Demultiplexing is just the reverse process of multiplexing. It means one into many. In demultiplexer, the process is of selecting one input signal and transmitting the same signal over a number of several output lines. It has one input line, a number of output lines and similarly the m select lines. The number of output lines always depends on the select lines, just like the multiplexer. It is used at the receiver section of a device. So that's all about the theory of multiplexer and demultiplexer signal. Now students, this is the digital multiplexer and demultiplexer kit. Here you can see that it is written as 16 to 1 multiplexer and 1 to 16 demultiplexer. That means both multiplexer and demultiplexer are assembled in the same kit. Here this is the demultiplexer part and this is the multiplexer part. IC 74150 is used as 16 to 1 multiplexer and IC 74154 is used as 1 to 16 demultiplexer. Now coming to the multiplexer, we know multiplexer means many into 1. It is a 16 is to 1 multiplexer. This portion you can see 16 is to 1 multiplexer and it has 16 input lines. See, from D0 to D15. That means the multiplexer has 16 input lines, 1 output line which we should connect using patch cord. Afterward, during performing of the experiment, this is the output we should connect, and it has 1 ST line. See, this is the ST line and 4 select lines, S0, S1, S2 and S3. These are the 4 select lines and the ST line is used to enable this chip. The ST line should always be selected at 0. That means the chip is enabled at low or 0. Now students, as I have told you previously that in multiplexer, the select lines are used to select the inputs from many input. That means to select one input from this many input. That means 16 inputs are used here and to send it through the output. So student, we shall first perform the experiment of the multiplexer and then demultiplexer. To perform this experiment, we need only the power. This is the power button and the power cord is connected to the line, supply line, and this is the patch cord, 4 mm patch cord, using which we should make the connection. See, first of all we should connect the ST line with black patch cord. See, this is the ST line which is given to the logic inputs. These are the logic inputs from which we can give the input either 0 or 1. This is 0 or 1, and these are the toggle switches. And this is the power section, power button, and I have already discussed about the multiplexer and the demultiplexer part. So we are now making the connection. This is the ST line, and now we should connect the 4 select lines, S0, S1, S2 and S3. These are the 4 select lines are connected to the logic input, and now the outputs are connected here. The indicator you can see, this is the indicator through which we can see the output. This is the indicator. So now, before making the kit on, we should refer to the truth table of the multiplexer. Student, you can see this is the 16:1 multiplexer, and you can see there are 4 select lines as in the kit, S0, S1, S2 and 3, and 16 inputs from D0 to D15 and a single output line. So first of all, see, when we are assigning 4 0 to the select lines, that means 0 0 0 0 in binary, then the input D0 is selected and this input will pass through the output. Similarly, if we assign 0 0 0 1, in a similar way D1 is selected, that means input D1 is selected, and that input is only passed through the output. All other inputs will be off at that time. Now see, if I select 1 1 1 1, that means in binary 1 1 1 1, then the input D15, you can see here D15 is selected. This is the input, D15 is selected, and it will pass through the output. Now see, I am going to perform the same thing on the kit. You please see. I am powering on the kit. Now see, first of all I have made this ST lines, this ST line, chip enable line, to 0. It will be kept as 0. See, the toggle switch is kept at 0, and then I will select or assign different values to the select lines. See, first of all 0 0 0 and 0, 4 zeros are, you can see the toggle switches, 4 zeros are assigned to the select line, S0, S1, S2 and S3. These 4 inputs are selected as 0. Now in the output you can see, the output. See the output, this will be the output. See, only when I am giving D0, okay, only when I am switching the D0 switch, the output is passing. No other input will be selected. You can see I am moving all the toggle inputs from D1 to D8, D9 and simultaneously D12, D13 up to D15, but not 15. But nothing is passing through this output. Only D0 input is selected and it is passing through the output. See, this is the output, not this. This is the outputs, only D0 is selected and passing through it. Now similarly, in the same way, if I give another binary inputs in the select lines, that means suppose if I am selecting 1 0 0 1, that means 1 0 0 1 means which input will be selected? D9. See here, I am moving D9 and the outputs, see the output is used only for the D9 portion. So now I am giving the inputs to the select line as 1, 1, 1 and 1. This is the toggle switch. See here I have given the toggle switch to 4, 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1. And in the output similarly, you can see the D15 is only passing. See, this is only passing through the output. No other input will be selected in this time. So what we can see in the multiplexer, that using the select lines we can assign it different inputs to the select lines, and the only one input will be selected and that will be passed through the output. For in case if I select it as 1 0 0 0, I have selected it as 1, means S3 is 1 and S2 0, S1 0 and S0 is 0. Then the output, what output will be passed through? D8. See, D8 will pass through the output. See, D8 is passing through the output. No other input will pass through the output. Friends, moving to the demultiplexer, similarly, it is 1:16 demultiplexer is used here using the chip IC 74154. In demultiplexer, only one input is there. G1 here G1 is the input and G2 is the chip enable. Similarly, like the multiplexer, it is the chip enable G2, and there are 4 select lines S0, S1, S2 and S3, 4 select lines and 16 output lines. Here you can see it is the reverse of multiplexer. Here 16 output lines are there, Y0 to Y15. These are all the output lines, and a single input with a chip enable and 4 select lines. Now see, I am making the connection for the demultiplexer. This is the logic inputs which is given to G2, chip enable input, and this is G1 input of the demultiplexer. 4 ST lines is 0, S1, S2 and S3. This is the S3. Okay, and the output here you can see in this portion, the output leads are this portion. Okay, now I am powering on the button, and before that we should look at the truth table of the demultiplexer. See, in the truth table of the demultiplexer, in the same way, this is the input which is given as G1. This is the strobe G2, that means chip enable, which should be selected at 0. See, you can see all are 0. That means the chip is enabled at low or 0. And these are the 4 select line S1, S0, S1, S2 and S3, and 16 output lines. Here it is written as D0, but in the kit the same is referred as Y0 to Y16. Okay, now in the similar way, when we are selecting 4 zeros, 0, 0, 0 and 0 to S0 to S3 select line, the input, that means G1, this input is passing through the D0 output. All others will be at high. The input G1 will only pass through the D0 line. In the same way, if we give the select line, suppose 1, 0, 0, 1, then the input, which input should be selected here? The input 0, 0, 1, 1. The input D3 will be selected, and this input will pass through the D3 line. See in the kit. I am powering on the kit. Now you see, I have first of all given all the toggle switches to 0. See, all the toggle switches are set to 0. That means the input G1, this is the input line Z1 is passing through only Y0. See the Y0 here, you can see the Y0 output line. The input is passing through the Y0 when the select lines are all set at 0. Similarly, if I set the select lines to suppose 0 0 0 1, then you can see Y1 is the output line through which the input is passing. No other lines, output lines are selected. Only Y1 is the line through which the input is passing through the output. If I now set similarly in the same way, if I set all the select lines to high, that means 1 1 1 and 1, see these all toggle switches are kept at high, the input will pass through the Y15 line. See, you can see here only the input is passing through the output Y15 line, all others are at high, means all others are not at used, all other outputs are not at use. So in this way, in demultiplexer, a single input can be passed through a number of output lines using the help of a select line. So students, this is all about the experiment of a multiplexer and demultiplexer kit. Hope you can understand.